Today, let's learn how to make an airplane. I already have this paper airplane. This is one of the model called a jet because it's long, slim, and it's really fast. We're gonna make one of those today. All right, so the first thing is you need a piece of paper. The paper should have some strength, like print paper is good enough. All right, when you get your paper, the first thing is we fold it in half along the long edge and make sure all the corners, the two corners, are matched. All right, after you match the corners, you need to flatten the middle. You need to flatten it really flat because that's important for this kind of airplane. Okay, after you get it folded, you open it. Now, you can see there is a long, nice middle line. We're going to use that as our guideline. Now you have two shorter edges. We fold one of the edges, this corner, along the center line, like a triangle. And then you flatten it. Again, this shorter half edge, fold, align with the center line, and flatten the edge. And we do the same to the other half. So this little half edge, fold along the center line like this. Okay, flatten, put a little bit of pressure on it. Okay, now we have a triangle. Now the next step is we fold along this edge. See this edge of the triangle? Fold it against the center line again. This time it's a little bit tricky because the paper is getting a little bit thicker. Fold this edge along the center line and put pressure to flatten. Here, one side. Do the same to the other side. This edge along the center line, again, fold it. And flatten. And flatten. Make sure that the little triangle inside is folding with the outer because you have two layers now. Okay, now you have this shape of the airplane already. Next step is easy because we already have the center line folded, and then we just follow the step naturally to fold it again. Put a little bit pressure on the tip because now it's thicker. We need it to be flattened. Okay, now we're going to do the last step is to get the wings. Now your airplane has an open side. So fold the open side, this edge along the center line, like this. Make sure you have your tip. The tip takes a little bit of work. You can see it because it's the thickest part of the airplane. And you flatten, get one wing. All right, get one wing. And you flip the whole thing and do the other wing. It's important to get the two wings almost exactly the same. Make it symmetric because all the airplanes can fly better with symmetric wings. You fold the other wing. Now flatten. All right, now you have a flat airplane. We take it out. Then we adjust the wing a little bit, make it smooth and slim. Now you can hold your airplane and let it fly.